Sir, do you need medical attention?
I don't. I just got a busted knuckle.
You're letting him go! That's him! I'm done. I don't want to go on this car until my family gets here.
2 seconds still.
You're let go of me.
You gotta take down the ground.
Why?
Sit. Put your hands. What are you gonna get maced? You gonna get maced? Put your hands behind your back. Where you gonna get maced?
Date unknown, pending jurisdiction, confirmation, location. Unknown pending jurisdiction confirmation. Incident 1, residential altercation, hate crime arrest. Incident 2 bars, altercation, battery, and hate crime charges.
Sir, do you need medical attention?
I don't. I just got a busted knuckle. He gonna need some medical attention though. I'm not gonna lie. I hit him with. I got a little portable speaker in my car.
Is he intoxicated or?
He's drinking a beer right now.
Okay.
Leaning on my car, I asked him, "Can you please back up? What's the issue?"
Yeah.
And he's like, "There's no issue." And then he pushed my car. I was just like, "Hey, step away from my car." I stepped out. I'm asking, like, what's the issue? He gets tough, start taking off his clothes and stuff, pushing me, and he said, "There's no issue." I back up, reach in my car, grab my speaker. I'm like, "Hey, I want you to get away from me. Can you please go over there? It's all on camera." She got it. Then he pushed me again. That's when I swung.
Okay.
You need fire up here.
He's saying that guy probably needs medical attention.
Yeah.
Do you mind if we step in?
Yeah.
Is there anybody else here?
Yeah, my is here. I'm gonna call you back.
Hello. Hello.
You see this?
I do.
Yeah. I've been jumped, and now the police are here. There's 1, 2, 3 cops, buddy. My head is split wide open, buddy. I've got blood all down the front of me. Some black dude from next door has called the cops on me. Send my mom, send whoever.
Can you talk to me?
Thank you. Yep.
All right. What's going on, man?
What's going on? Let's go out here.
Hold on. Let's stay right
No, we're going to go right out here.
Hey.
Right out here where the dude is jumping.
Hold on a second.
No.
Stop.
Do you see this?
I do. We're going to try to get the bottom. We're not going to go out the side and start hooting and hollering.
Him.
We're going to do it from right here.
We're going to do it from right here.
Yeah.
So I get my head split wide open from right here, and you give a about him?
No.
Him.
I didn't say that.
Okay, let's step out on
No,
the
we're going to
porch.
stay right here.
No, we're not.
The hell
I'm going out on
buddy,
the
we're going to
porch.
step back is what you're going to do.
Okay.
Step back.
Have I committed a crime here? Do you see
We're
me?
trying to get you taken care of.
You, I'm fine. I want out on that porch.
Just wait a minute.
I want out on that porch.
Just wait.
You, him, him. Do you see my head?
I do. Go ahead and...
I want out. Now I'm leaving. Stop. Jimmy, do you see this? Jimmy, do you see this?
Place your hands behind your back now.
Because why?
Because you're out of control. That's why.
Because I've been attacked.
He's pretty aggressive right now, so we got him in handcuffs because he wanted to push out and start fighting with these guys again. So
We're trying to get you taken care of, man.
Officer Wolf,
We're trying to get the medics to fix your head,
I
man.
don't care about my head. This is bullshit.
will you do me a huge favor?
Go inside.
I don't care about going outside. We're trying to keep him from coming out here because he wants to come out here, and the last thing we need is more
Yeah.
fight.
Straight up.
I
He's
appreciate
drunk
it.
then, right?
Oh, beyond.
All right, that's what I thought. He shouldn't have been driving, bro.
I agree with you 100%.
You're letting him go. That's him.
But if you guys want to hang out here, I'm going to stand here. If he comes over here, I'll take care of it, okay? I appreciate if you guys just don't say a word. You guys can go ahead and let him outside. I got the other half over here.
This piece of shit over here is the motherfucker that split my goddamn head open. Do you see this motherfucker over here?
Yep.
Calm down.
Why am I sitting on this top?
Can you sit down here for me?
No, I did nothing. Do you see my head?
Yeah.
That piece of shit motherfucker over there did it. No, I'm done. I don't want to go on this cot. Until my family gets here, I'm not going on that cot. I don't want to go to the hospital. I'm fine right here.
Can I at least take a look at your head there?
You can take a look at my head right there, and you can charge that piece of shit, motherfucker, scumbag, black ass piece of shit right there. That's what you can do. Hey, hey, shut him out.
Medical attention for your ass. I call medical attention for your ass. I call medical attention for you because I love you like a son.
I want that scumbag, racist piece of shit over there to go to jail.
Hey, Mike, just so the medics know, have you had any alcohol or drugs today?
No, I don't drink. I don't do drugs. That nigga over there, he
Taking prescription medication?
Nope.
Mike, what caused all this tonight, man?
What caused all this is
Yeah.
I came over here to talk to my buddy. He came out and apparently has a problem with white people. He don't like white people, so that's where this all. Do you see my head?
Yeah.
Do you see his head?
Yeah. Uncuff me, I'm done.
We're not done yet, man.
I am done. Do you see me? Do you see him? Uncuff me!
Okay. Goodbye.
You're not going anywhere, bud.
Let me go.
You're trying to lean into me. I'm just going to let you fall to the ground. I'm
Just
trying
gonna
not to do that because I want you to
I
get
just
hurt.
want to let go.
All right.
Hey,
Dude, you're going to fall.
fine. Fine.
You try to walk away again, I'm putting you on the ground.
Hey,
I've done nothing.
nobody said you done anything.
Why is he f***ing trying to take me to the ground?
Taking you to the hospital.
I don't want to go to the
You
hospital.
don't get a vote. Nope. They're gonna take you to the
Oh,
That was just my microphone getting kicked.
Mom!
Got the legs. That's good.
You're going to the hospital, and then you're going to jail. You understand me? You understand what I'm saying?
You f***ing ass piece of shit. I'll see you in court.
All right.
F*** you, I'm not going on that gurney. Bullshit. Bullshit, motherfucker. I'm not going on that gurney. Mom! Get him up. Mom!
You don't want to get shocked again, then stay still. You're not going to kick people and hurt people.
I didn't hurt nobody. You motherfuckers going to f***ing jail. Hey!
Stop it! You're not.
Do you see me? I'm the threat.
Yeah, if you stay when you're kicking and battering people, you want it.
Did you get it all?
55 return.
No, they tried to make me pay more money than I owe.
But they say you didn't pay your tab or something? Or?
No, I paid my tab. Go in there and look.
No.
How do they know my name?
Sir, I'm just, they called me over here. That's why I'm here, okay? I'm here to keep peace. Want to make sure nothing's going to happen. No one's going to fight.
You shut up.
Hey,
I'll beat your ass.
Hey.
Shut your fucking mouth.
I work here, dude.
I will beat your ass.
Don't you
I will fucking beat your ass.
point at me again?
What do you mean? I point at you, bitch.
Calm down.
Nah, you get out of the way.
Calm down.
Let us do this.
Listen to me.
You're
going to end up in jail. Stop. You're gonna,
What are you going what?
You're going to, you want to go to jail?
No.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back, bud.
I don't want to go to
Listen,
jail.
all right, then chill out. Because I ain't playing games.
All right.
I ain't playing games with you. All right, you need to chill the out. You have your ID on you?
No.
You don't have anything? What's your name?
I ain't giving it to you.
You want to go to jail?
I'm not giving you money.
I'm telling you right now, you better stop.
Get off my shirt.
Chill out.
Get off my shirt.
Chill out. Put your hands behind your back.
All right, I will chill. I will chill.
Chill out.
I will chill.
Put your hands behind your
I will
back.
chill.
Sir.
I'm not going to put my hands behind my back.
You're going to put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Ask me my name.
All right.
I'll give you what you want.
You're going to chill the
I'll
out,
give you
right?
what you want, yes.
You chill the out.
Yes,
You're not going to play around no more, are you? Are you going to play around? You're going to ruin your Sunday. You need to chill out.
Listen.
No, you listen. You listen to me.
I haven't been playing around.
Huh?
I don't consider this playing around.
I do. I think it's f***ing stupid, childish.
I think it's stupid too.
All right, then f***ing calm down.
All right.
Calm the f***
All
down.
right, let go of me.
No, you're going to put your hands behind your back is what you're going to do.
No, I'm going to put them down.
Put them behind your back.
No, I'm going to put them down. I'm not putting my hands behind my back.
You're going to end up in
I've
jail.
done nothing wrong.
You're going to end up in jail.
Dude, you're going to get drilled. I've done nothing wrong.
You set up in 94.
I paid my tab and I left.
Huh?
I paid my tab and I left.
Sit on the ground. Sit on the
I'm not going to sit.
Sit on the ground.
I will stand.
Sit on the f***ing ground now. Sit down on the ground.
You ain't going to tell me what to do.
Sit on the ground.
I'll lean against this post.
You're going to sit on the ground.
I'm not going to sit
You're going to sit on the ground. What you're
You're
going to do?
stupid.
Sit on the ground.
Do you think I'm that dumb?
Sit on the ground.
Let go of me.
No, I'm not letting you go.
I'll drill you in the mouth.
Drill me in the mouth and see what happens to you. Get stupid.
I'm not trying to.
All right. Get stupid.
I'm trying to go home.
Sit on the ground.
I'm not going to sit on the ground.
All right.
I'll stand.
Sit on the ground. Sit down.
I'm not going to stand.
Sit the down.
Let go of me.
Sit down.
Let go of me.
Sit down. Tell you
Let
right
go
now.
of me.
Tell you right now to sit down.
Let go of me.
Sit down.
Let go of me.
2 seconds still.
You're gonna let go of me.
You got a taser? Yeah,
Dude,
taser ready.
Dude, I'm not.
If you're gonna get the
He's trying to.
Don't sit down, you're gonna get tased.
He's trying to throw me
Sit
on the
down.
ground. He's trying to throw me
Sit on the ground, you're
ground.
gonna get tased. Sit on the ground. Sit on the ground now. Sit on the ground now, you're gonna get tased.
Let's go. Sit.
Sit down. Sit down the ground.
Why?
Sit. Eric, come over here, man.
I'm good.
Get on the ground.
Shut up.
Ground. Get on the ground. Stay down there. Dave. Put your hands.
Put your hands. Well, you're gonna get maced. You're gonna get maced. Put your hands behind your back, or you're gonna get maced.
What do you want?
All right. Dave, look out. Look out. Look at me. Look at me. That's it.
Put your hands behind your
Put
back.
your hands behind your back. I told you you're gonna get sprayed. Put your hands behind your back.
You're gonna shoot me now?
What's your name now, motherfucker?
Yeah, tough guy.
What's your name?
My name's Tough Guy. Stupid.
All that talking, what'd you do?
All that badge, that.
Yeah. I thought you were gonna hit me.
You're a liar.
See this right here? This
You're
camera?
a fucking liar.
See this camera right here?
You're a liar.
Yeah, we'll see.
Somebody set me up.
Nope. You're stay right there.
Nah, okay.
You still don't listen.
Just let me sit up.
No. Stay on your side. Lift your feet up to your chest so you can breathe. There you go. Just like that.
Quit pushing on me.
Just like that.
Let me sit up.
All right, so what happened?
So I approached him. I said, sir, you saw the tab open at the bar. And then he just went off the hand. He said, what motherfucker? I said, sir, I'm just saying that you have an unpaid tab. And that's when he approached us and swung on.
He swung at you?
He swung at him first, got him first, actually hit him. He rocked my
He hit me over here.
Okay, where'd this all happen at?
right here.
Right here.
So it's because he didn't pay his bar tab? Is that?
He paid one of the servers, and then he still had a live tap at the bar. So he's walking out, and then when my bartender's like, Shane, you go get him. He hasn't paid his bar tab. I said, okay, not a problem. I'm like, sir, you haven't paid a bar tab. And then he got completely belligerent, and then he's like, wait, you call me a I'm like, no, sir, I'm just saying that you haven't paid a bar tab. And then he came just to assist me, and then that's when he walked off. And then he showed up, and then he started swinging on me.
Who do you swing at? He swung at?
He sucker punched me hard, like rock my fighter. He rock my face.
You have your ID on you?
Yeah.
So I can
And then that's when I went to go get you because he started getting physical.
Y'all took all my shit, just like some fucking Jew-ass thieves. What'd I do? What the fuck did I do? For what?
Come on, man.
I can't see.
Sit back, watch your head.
I can't see. You're gonna take me to jail.
Yeah, sit down.
For what?
You're going to jail. I just told you what you're going to jail.
Disorderly conduct and battery. Duck your head in so you don't hit it on the
All
car.
right, loosen up the cuffs a little bit.
Sit down.
They're tight.
They're as loose as they get.
Stop making it worse, please.
Put your feet in there.
Terry v. Ohio 1968 permits brief investigative detention based on reasonable articulable suspicion without requiring probable cause for a formal arrest. Repeated attempts to re-engage in violence satisfy the threshold for lawful temporary restraint. Wisconsin v. Mitchell 1993, the Supreme Court unanimously held hate crime penalty enhancement is constitutional. Bias motivation is a permissible sentencing factor. An unprompted slur directed at the victim captured on body camera constitutes direct evidence satisfying the bias motivation element under this standard. This evidentiary threshold applies independently to both incidents. Graham v. Connor 1989 establishes objective reasonableness as the governing standard for all use of force decisions. Courts evaluate three factors: severity of the crime, immediacy of threat to safety, and active resistance. Force must be assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not evaluated with the benefit of hindsight. Brian v. McPherson, 2010, classifies taser deployment as intermediate force, requiring independent justification, specifically active physical resistance, or an immediate threat of harm. OC sprays evaluated under the same Graham v. Connor standard and requires explicit verbal warning when tactically feasible. Under state stop and identify statutes, a lawfully detained suspect may be required to provide their name. Refusal to identify, combined with witnessed battery and explicit threats against officers, satisfies the totality of circumstances standard for lawful arrest. A nolo contendere plea permits sentencing as upon a guilty verdict without constituting a formal admission of guilt. It forecloses contested evidentiary issues at trial, including the bias motivation element essential to hate crime enhancement. Key legal lessons from both incidents. Biased language captured on body camera is direct evidence under Wisconsin v. Mitchell, regardless of offense severity. Every custodial statement is admissible in subsequent proceedings. De-escalation must precede force under Graham v. Connor. Hate crime enhancement requires documented bias, motivation, not a more serious or violent predicate offense.